Hey Shya. Risha, okay, Risha, okay. Risha, do you have ingredients for today's class?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Do you have almond flour and coconut oil?
Yes.
Oh, very good. I'm so surprised. Well, I thought, nobody will have it because you have to buy it, right? I posted even before day, I posted only. I posted on weekend itself. Everybody will get the ingredients. Thank you. Thank you. You have it. I'm so happy. Who else has the ingredients? Janavi
Hare
has.
Krishna.
Nisha has.
Risha. Yes.
Okay, I'll start the live and then we will start. Today, first we will be chanting one round.
Risha's there.
And then we will, 1 second, I will just start the live. Oh, light may not work here, right? Okay. Can we all start saying the prayers? Om Ajnanatimirandasya. You all can unmute. I cannot see nobody is singing. And I can see some of them. So Devi, where are you? Where is your video? Subhadra, where is your video? Subhadra.
Okay, so
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. Today we are having chanting session and then cooking. While cooking, we can hear nice story today. I don't know, my computer has some problem today. Issue, it got struck off. Hare Krishna, can you all hear me? I think this laptop had an issue. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna
Prasthaya Bhutale.
शून्यवादी पश्चातादिन
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु
कृष्ण चैतन्य
कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Maita Gadadara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama
Hare Krishna
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna
Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Rama
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Krishna
Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Rama Hare Hare Krishna Mata Ji Jai Shri Shivadrangiri Hare Rama
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare
Krishna
Krishna Mata Ji Jai Shri Shivadrangiri
Rama
Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Rama
Rama Hare Hare
Chant
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Hare Rama Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna
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 Hare Hare Hare
Rama Hare
Krishna
Rama
Krishna
Rama
Hare
Rama
Hare
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 Hare.
Rama Hare Rama Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare Krishna kids, thank you for chanting very beautifully.
Hare
So
Krishna
now
Mataji, this is Shubhadra and Giridhar.
Shubhadra and Giridhari, I was missing you all a lot and you are back. I'm so happy. Thank you for joining Shubhadra and Giridhari. Very nice to see you both of you. Okay, who all have ingredients? Raise your hands. Coconut flour, almond flour, coconut oil.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Sushita has.
I don't. I don't know what coconut flour is.
Almond flour.
I don't know what. I didn't know there was a cooking activity.
Oh, you know, we posted it in weekend itself so that everybody buys the ingredients and come.
No, we didn't see that. Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Kaushi. Our parents went for a walk.
Oh, your parents went for a walk. Okay, so you both are alone in the house?
Oh, yes, we're both alone.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let's start making it. As Neha also has it. Our name is not Neha. I forgot what is her name. Risha, okay.
Mataji.
Risha, say your name.
My name is Risha.
Risha, yes, I remember your name. So now let's start making these cookies.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji,
Yes.
can you send actually my mom doesn't have all the ingredients every time when we just cook, but sometimes she has ingredients when we and anytime when we want to cook.
Sure. I will send it in the group, okay? I will.
Can you send it fast right now? I really want to cook I really want to cook right now, but I don't know the ingredients. So can you send me in the chat?
I will send it in the group right now. I will send it.
Mataji, it's
Yes, Sushita.
I don't have coconut oil. Can we use any other oil?
I don't know if it will come, but this recipe says coconut oil only. We can try any other oil.
Okay,
Try and see if it will come. Try to use butter if it comes. I don't know, but you can try. Okay, now let's start. I will post the ingredients here. Is WhatsApp open here? If not, I will join from that call and then I'll post it. 1 second. Can you move away, Brinda? You ready to talk?
Mataji.
Okay, 1 second. I'm going to join the call and post the ingredients in the group. It's very simple. Simple recipe. Everybody can make it. It's very easy.
Mataji, I put the almonds. Almond flour.
Very nice, very nice. See, now we have to take, I post it in the chat. Everybody can see in the chat. And how to make also. Yes. So now how to make it also, I'm going to put it in the group and also here on the chat. Where is...
Mataji, I don't have almond flour.
Who is that?
Boovi.
Who we don't have? Oh, okay, you can make it later, okay? Is it okay? Because we are saying almond flour, today is Ekadasi. We don't eat any other flour today. That's why we are using almond flour to make the cookies, okay?
Okay.
How many of you know about Ekadasi? What is Ekadasi?
Ekadasi came from Krishna.
Yes, but who all fast? I mean, like who all observes Ekadasi in their houses? Who all know about it? Oh, Tushita, no, very good.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. One day I heard there was a process. In the olden days, Ekadashi had another name. I forgot that name.
I don't know about that.
Okay, Mataji, thank
Let's
you.
check. See, as I said, 1 cup and plus 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of almond flour. 1 cup and 1/3 cup. Totally 1. Before that, you all preheat your oven 350. 350. Can you all start your oven at 350 Fahrenheit? Please start your oven, okay? Ask your parents to start that. And then take that. Now measure it. Are you all ready?
I'm making the dough.
Very good, Jahnavi. See, 1 cup. Adding more.
Mataji, I'm making the dough.
Very good, Jahnavi. See, another 1/3 cup. The small 1/3 cup.
Yeah.
So 1/3 cup of flour. Okay. Then what do I add inside it? Sea salt. Sea salt. Please add in sea salt because this is good for
Mataji, is it supposed to be like this?
yes.
Is it supposed to be like this?
Yes, like that only. Good job. You're done. Add a pinch of sea salt into the flour. Are you all with me?
Ask what do you want.
Yes.
Mataji,
Salt.
sea salt the way. But
Pinch off or a teaspoon, or half a teaspoon like that. Little bit. Okay. Yeah. Then you mix it and then put what we have next. We have a coconut oil of 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let's put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Mataji, do we need to put rock salt or sea salt? Because it's a Ekadashi cookies.
Sea salt. Sea salt is okay. This is allowed for Ekadasi, Mataji. Sea salt is allowed.
Okay, okay, but can we, because we don't take sea salt in Ekadashi, so can we put rock salt? Will that work?
Yeah. Yes. Basically salt, actually that recipe says salt, but according to Ekadasi, I used this. Whatever Ekadasi salt you use, please use that salt.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Mataji, can we use vegetable oil instead of coconut oil?
I am not sure. Maybe. Can you use butter and cheese?
Mataji, Ekadasi, if you are following Ekadasi, vegetable oil will not work, Mataji.
What about peanut oil? We do peanut oil.
Canola oil will.
Yes, peanut oil. We have peanut
Canola
oil.
oil is allowed.
Yeah, peanut canola oil will work.
Okay, Mataji, I'll use peanut oil then. I'll tell her to use.
Mataji,
Yes. Very good, Janavi. And then you need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just 2 tablespoons of coconut oil
Mataji,
or canola oil. Okay. Otherwise,
Mataji.
coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can replace with canola oil or butter. And then you need 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Mommy, I have a cake on you.
And then mix it together. So today is Ekadasi. On Ekadasi day, usually we don't eat rice, grains and beans because on that day, Lord Krishna says that in the grains there is a demon. And so that is why we don't eat. And that is why we don't eat. Oh, somebody, somewhere echo is coming. I don't know why.
Mataji, can you please show us the way you're making it?
Oh, okay. Just I put everything here, Mataji.
Okay, thank you.
Everything. Sugar,
Mataji,
salt.
Mataji,
Yes. And then mix it.
I love Ekadasi because we don't have to eat rice.
Yeah.
I don't like rice.
Very nice. You are such a sweet kid. You don't like rice. See, I'm mad about rice. Without rice, the day don't stop. I mean, stop.
Mataji,
Ah, yes. And you add 1 tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon of water also, okay? Add 1 tablespoon of water. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Sea salt pinch and the almond flour I already told you. Please add 1 tablespoon of water and then bind it. See, just mix it like this. Just yes. See, you can see that. Just make it like a dough. Press it.
Mataji,
Yes.
today we made golanga potatoes.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Very nice. So while making, we can hear a story of Ekadasi, okay? Can we all hear a story about Mura demon? The demon which was in Treta Yuga. He was very, very bad demon.
Mataji, you told us story in your class.
Yes, the same story I'm telling because it's all the same, Ekadasi, right? So we're gonna do the same story. So that demon was troubling everyone, all the demigods, and even the demon threw away all the demigods from the heavenly planet, and he occupied everything. And the demons were crying, what to do? Sorry, demigods were crying, what to do? Now the demon has occupied everything, and we don't have anything, and he's troubling us so much. And then everybody went to, all the demigods together went to Lord Shiva to complain that about the Mura demon, ask him for help. See, press it like this. Ask him for help. So when they all went to Lord Shiva for the help, Lord Shiva took all of them where to Lord Vishnu to save all of these demigods. So then what happened? Everybody went to Lord Vishnu, and everybody first offered their obeisances. And then what did they do? After they offered their obeisances, and then Lord Vishnu asked them, why all the demigods are here today to meet me? What is the need? What happened? Then so then when Lord asked all the demigods, Indra replied, saying that there is a demon who is troubling us. Then Lord Vishnu knows everything. But still Lord Vishnu asked, who is that demon? How does the demon look like? What is his strength? And how is it troubling you all? Like that, he asked, Lord Vishnu asked to all the demigods. Then Aki and Indra replied, saying that this Mura demon is very bad and he's troubling all of us. He belongs to Lord Brahma's family. And his father is Talajanga. And he's troubling everyone. He took out everything from us, and he's troubling lot and lot. So please, Lord Vishnu, come and help us. Like that, demigods were praying to Lord Vishnu. As soon as Lord Vishnu heard about it, then let's all go there and see what Mura demon can do us. Then they all went to Mura demon's place. What is that place? Chandravati. The city name is Chandravati. When they all went there, all the team, Mura demon has friends. Like Dhenukasura team has also have friends, right? Kamsa has friends, Potana, all of them. Like that, Mura demon also has a lot of team of the members. And everybody came and I want to attack Lord Vishnu and demigods. Then Lord Vishnu killed everybody, all the Mura demon party. But he could not kill Mura demon. Now what happened? It was, Lord Vishnu could not kill Mura demon. The fight was going. How many years? 10,000 celestial years. That was very long time. Then what happened? One day, Lord went to Badrikashram. And then where he stayed? He stayed in Sambhavati cave. And he took there some rest. He was laying down and sleeping over there. That time, what happened? This Mura demon thought, now Lord is sleeping. Let me kill him. He came slowly from backside and started attacking. Then what happened? Can anybody kill the Lord? Answer, kids. Anybody can kill the Lord? Lord Vishnu? No. So now happens. Wonder, what is that? From Lord Vishnu's body, beautiful girl comes. Who is that? Ekadasi. Ekadasi has very, very nice ornaments and weapons. She's so beautiful, and she comes and she's so energetic. So a lot of power she has. And when she sees Mura demon, she thinks, you are the one who is troubling and who wants to kill Lord Vishnu. Okay, then, but the powerful Mura demon could not do anything to Ekadasi. Just Ekadasi was like, like that. That's it. By making that one utter sound, Mura demon got killed. Look how powerful Ekadasi was. Then what happened? Lord Vishnu woke up from the sleep and asked, what happened? What happened? Who killed Mura demon? Then everybody said, Ekadasi killed the girl that came from your body. And then, Lord Vishnu asked, how is this possible? I was not able to kill her. How did you kill her? How did you kill her? Then Ekadasi replied, it is all your mercy. It is all your blessings. By all your power, I could kill Murathi men. But Lord Vishnu was surprised and so happy. And he asked, what can I give you? Because you killed a great demon. Oh, he was so ferocious and so troublesome to all of us. Then Ekadasi asked, on this day, whoever does lot of worship to you, praise you, chant for you, read Bhagavatam, attend classes about Krishna, and who says the rhymes about Krishna, for all of them, give lots and lots of blessings and prayers, lots and lots of wishes, and then they can go back to Krishna like that. So, like that, the benediction she asked. So immediately Krishna gave the benediction. But Krishna said one thing is that whoever eats grains on this day will get sin. So we should not eat grains on this day because the Murathi man resides in that grains. Okay. Very small kids can eat. After 7 years, Bhagavatam says that after 7 years, one should start following this. But if you cannot follow, that's fine. That's fine. Krishna can understand. You are all very small kids. But Ekadasi food, we can make pizzas, we can make cookies, we can make idli, we can make dosa, everything that you are eating on non-Ekadasi days. Like you are eating every day, right? We can make everything. We can make puris, we can make pakoras, everything we can make on Ekadasis. If your parents don't know how to do that, your parents can contact us. We will give the recipes, yummy recipes, so that you all can also do Ekadasi. It's very, very easy. All the recipes are very simple and we can do Ekadasi. So we'll not have any sins in us. And we'll get lots and lots of Krishna Prema. So then after you make this, what you do is, you take a fork. If possible, you can just make an impression like that. It looks very good, like a professional it looks. Just, if you can just press it like this, can you all see? Just, if you press it, that sign will be seen there. Like that.
Mataji, it's Deepak. I cannot see.
Can you all see?
Mataji,
Yes, Mataji, now I can see.
Yes, see, like this you have to press.
Mataji, I'm ready to put my cookies in the oven.
Oh, very nice. Good job. See, I am the late. See, Mataji is very slow. You all kids are very good, expert. Very, very nice. Every Ekadasi is very important, but this Ekadasi is more important because it's a special Ekadasi. It's called King of all Ekadasis. It's called Pandava Nirjala Ekadasi. So Lord is so merciful on this day. He gives the benedictions for all the Ekadasis. The person who did not do all Ekadasis, but they did one this Ekadasi, and then they get all the credit of all Ekadasis. So when we have to put it like this and put it in the oven bag.
Why do we call it Pandava Nirjala Ekadasi?
Why do we call Pandava Nirjala Ekadasi? Because Pandavas have observed it. Bhima has observed it. That's why it is called Pandava Nirjala Ekadasi. They all have observed it very strictly.
Mataji,
Yes.
how long should I keep it in the oven?
Okay. It is 12 minutes.
What?
It is
12 to 15 minutes.
12 to
Question.
yes, Jahnavi. Yes, Jahnavi.
12 to what?
Your English is not good, Jahnavi. It's not. for everybody.
Always loves to eat food.
Is Jahnavi breaking for everyone or only for me?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Deepak Janavi is breaking for me.
Jahnavi, you are breaking. Jahnavi, can you repeat your question? Okay, I cannot hear Jahnavi. First of all, all of you made the cookies. Oh, it's okay. This is there. Okay.
Mataji,
Everybody got to make the cookies?
Mataji.
Yes.
Well, how many times do we put the cookies in the oven?
12 to 15 minutes. I already posted the recipe here. You can see in the chat. 12 to 15
To see those.
He likes to eat a lot of food in one sentence. Does he has to fast, but
Who is talking? I'm not able to understand who is talking. Okay, I'm not sure who was talking. I'm not able to hear who talked just now. I'm so sorry for the disturbance today. Okay. Just confirming again, do anybody have any doubt? It should be baking for 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. After 12 minutes, please check it. When you see that they are little brown sidewise, you can remove it. Okay? Is everybody okay with the ingredients and cooking?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. We didn't even start.
I know, Deepak, because you did not have ingredients and your parents are not home, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's why.
I think we have almond flour. Is it okay if we use coconut flour?
No, we have to use almond flour. That's fine. Your mom will come and help you. If you have almonds, you can make them grind it out and then you can make it. Still, it works.
Yes, Mataji, we have almonds.
Very good. Then you make it. Deepak and Kaushi, you can make it. No worries. When your mother comes, you can make it.
But Mataji, we don't have all the ingredients to make, so we only have almonds.
That's okay. Everything is there in the house. Salt will be there at house and the oil will be there. No worries. You can use butter if you don't have coconut oil and try and see how it comes and let me know. Whoever use butter, please let me know on the group how it came. What is that?
Mataji,
Used.
Mataji.
Yes.
Actually, we didn't have almond flour. This is Shubhadra speaking. Actually, we didn't have almond flour and we didn't have the other the coconut the oil, but actually we used ghee and that other flour.
Almond flour is okay. I make it almond.
Yeah, we had the almond flour, but it's a kind of different one. And we actually used the ghee.
Oh, you use ghee. Very nice, very nice. And please post, whoever made the cookies, please post the pictures, okay? And today, please, everybody, chant before you going to sleep. You can chant 3 times, or you can hear one Krishna story. Any stories that you like, your parents can read to you, or you can read by yourself. Today, even you are doing little bit to Krishna. Krishna is so happy. Krishna is so happy. Okay, like how we nicely chant Krishna is blessed you all, because you all chant one round today with me. It was so nice chanting.
I didn't know.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
I have a question.
Tell me, Janavi. Now your internet is good. Tell me.
If Bean is always hungry and he always wants to eat food, in Ekadasi day he has to fast. So how the fasting because Bean loves to eat.
Yeah, but what did his grandfather said him? If you fast today one day, it will give you credit for all Ekadasis. Then he started controlling and he did it. Right? Because his grandfather said it is compulsory for him to go back to Krishna. So we have to perform Ekadasi. It's a rule that we have to do the Ekadasi. We can eat everything which is Ekadasi food. There are so many foods that we can eat on Ekadasi. You don't have to completely fast. I already said we can eat nicely. Ekadasi pizzas, yummy pizzas they make, puris, pakoras, idli, dosa, everything you can eat.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. In what we just got broccoli pizza today. Is that okay?
Okay.
Broccoli pizza? Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, my cookies are done.
Can you show me, Subhadra?
Mataji.
Yeah, very yummy, Mataji. Thank you so much for baking it. Thank you. Subhadra, hope you enjoy the cookies. Vrinda and Janavi love the cookies. We make it every Ekadasi actually for Vrinda.
Yeah. I like it.
Vrinda likes it so
My
much.
mom makes it every single Ekadasi too.
Yeah, every single Ekadasi we also do that. So that you don't get to eat the Parle G, Good Day, or whatever all the cookies are there. So we get to eat Ekadasi cookie and very healthy cookie, almond flour. Almond is very healthy, right? So today we are ending the class because we had a special class on Ekadasi. We did not do the verse and rhyme, but please you all sing the rhyme to Krishna in front of your altars, okay? Go to Krishna and sing whatever your favorite rhyme is there. So Krishna is going to bless you all. Okay, my cookies also will be done in another 5 minutes. Then I will post it in the group. Okay. Let's all close the call here, offering the Vaishnava prayers.
Vancha kalpatarubhasya.
Vancha
kalpatarubhasya. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare.
Hari Bol, who is that singing? Very cute. Thank you, kids, for singing so nicely. Bye bye. See you.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Remember the love to you. You are so much in love of chanting. Bye bye, kids.